We are so excited to test out a Nectar mattress. I've just redone this room for my daughter Olivia. She is so excited for her new room. We painted walls, put in floor, and I even made her a bed. I made this bed from scratch. Isn't that so exciting? And as if that's not cool enough, my daughter gets a new Nectar mattress. This is a full-size bed, and we didn't have a mattress to fit it, so she is the lucky girl that gets to test out this Nectar mattress. We've heard so many great things about the Nectar mattress. The only thing I'm incredibly devastated about is that my daughter gets the mattress and not me. But when she's off having a sleepover somewhere, I'm gonna sneak in and test out this mattress myself. My daughter's out today, and I'm here by myself, so somehow I'm going to unbox this myself and on camera. Let's see how it goes. It says, "Open me from this side, pretty please." It comes with its own little cutting tool, and here are some instructions about caring for your mattress, about the company, and instructions about how to do this. Oh my gosh, look at it go. The mattress comes with 2 free pillows, which is great. Always helpful to have extra pillows. And new pillows, especially new memory foam pillows, are very exciting. Inside the pillow, it has little pieces of memory foam. And they are expanding as we speak, just like the mattress. Here's the Nectar mattress. It's been out of the plastic for about 5-7 minutes maybe. It is already incredibly comfortable, and I am already incredibly jealous of my daughter. Nectar says that the firmness of their mattress is about a 6.5. I am a back and mainly a side sleeper. Oh, it feels absolutely perfect. I've heard that if you really like a soft mattress, that this might be a bit too firm, but I feel really good about it. It feels really nice and supportive. It's only been out of the plastic for a few minutes, so it's not fully expanded, but so far it feels really great. I like a semi-firm mattress, and so this feels just about perfect. It's nice and supportive, holding me, but not too firm. It's quite nice. So if you're thinking about getting a Nectar mattress, my initial thoughts are thumbs up. It was so easy to open. It was easy even to move and to open by one person, and I'm really weak. This is a full size. If you were doing a king size, I think you'd want a second person. But for me, just one person and not a strong person, it was very easy to open. It's expanded so fast. For the price, I can't get over that we have such a fantastic mattress, and it was so easy to get and to set up. The firmness feels really good. It feels like a nice balance between, well, it's a 6.5, so it really is a medium firmness, especially if you and your partner have different sleeping styles, or like one likes a firmer and one likes a softer mattress. This one seems like a really nice balance, like a nice in-between, safe way to go. So if you're concerned about off-gassing or smell, I am really particular about smells and chemicals, and this one does not seem too noxious at all. In fact, it's very, very faint smell, if anything. Nectar says it takes about 24 to 72 hours for it to fully expand, but many people do sleep on it the first night. Since it's getting late here tonight, we'll probably let it rest tonight and let it fully expand, and Olivia will sleep on it tomorrow night. And then we'll definitely let you know how Livy likes the mattress after she's been sleeping on it for a bit. Okay, so the Nectar mattress has been in our house for a few weeks now, and it is a huge hit. Such a hit that everybody in the house wants one, and only Olivia has it, and we're all jealous. In fact, I have to admit, I've crept in here and had naps on it when she's at school. It is fantastic. I am so impressed with this mattress. I can't believe it. It is super comfortable, it's cozy, I don't roll around as much. I feel totally supported. I can't get over it. I'm not kidding. I need to get one for myself, and my son is desperate for a new bed, so I'm gonna buy a Nectar mattress. Like, there's no reason not to. It's so comfortable, and it is a great price. And it just gets shipped to me, and I pull it open, and you saw how easy it was. Like, yeah, I'm ordering one for my son. I seriously am. This is a fantastic mattress. I'm so excited. I literally am buying more. I can't believe how fabulous they are. So don't miss out if you are considering buying a mattress. This is a great, great option. It doesn't cost as much as most mattresses. It is the most comfortable one I've ever had in my home. If you're living in a small space, if you're trying to get upstairs, if you want to get a king size bed and around corners, having a mattress in a box is an incredibly easy way to get your bed in your house. And as you saw, I set this full size mattress up all by myself. And if you don't like it, no worries. They have an amazing return policy. So you can't go wrong with Nectar. I'm really so sincerely excited, and I'm going to be ordering one for my son next, and later hopefully I'll get one for myself too. So comfortable, absolutely fabulous. I hope you have as great of an experience with Nectar mattresses as we have, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you tried a Nectar mattress before? What are you looking for in a mattress? Please let us know. I'd love to hear your experiences. And thanks so much for joining us at 5minutesformom.com.